Good morning, children. Good to see the Pika man. See, I am back again. And what are we going to learn today? By now, you all have met the letters from the letter line. Yes, and you also know their sounds. So today we are going to revise their phonic sounds once again. Right? So you will all sing after man. Let us start. Apple, apple. B, ball, ball. C, carrot, carrot. D, drum, drum. E, elephant, elephant. F, fish, fish. G, gate, gate. H, hat, her hat. I, igloo, igloo. J, jug, jug. K, kite, kite. L, lemon, lemon. M, mango, mango. N, nose, nose. O, orange, orange. P, pencil, pencil. Q, quilt, quilt. U, R, rainbow, rainbow. S, soap, soap. T, telephone, telephone. U, umbrella, umbrella. V, vase, vase. W, watch, watch. X, X-ray, X-ray. Y, yo-yo, yo-yo. Z, zip, zip. Okay, so now let us quickly revise it once again with only their sounds. A, b, g, d, e, f, g, h, I, j, k, l, m, n, o, p, q, r, s, t, a, v, x, y, z. So this is it for today, and I will see you in our next class with the vowel words. Till then, bye bye.